Welcome to XSPA Crypto Wallet. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your new wallet in just a few simple steps. If you're new to XSPA Wallet, you'll see two options on the screen. Log in with Web3 Auth. Create new wallet. If you choose Login with Web3 Auth, you can quickly create your account using your social handles. No need to remember recovery phrases. It's that simple. If you select Create New Wallet, your wallet will generate a unique set of key phrases. Make sure to store them in a safe place. They're essential for wallet recovery. Already using XSPA Wallet, you can easily add another wallet. Just tap on your wallet name at the top, then click the plus icon to add a new one. You'll see the same options again. Log in with Web3 Auth, create new wallet, or import phrase or private key. Now, set a wallet name. Securely note down your key phrases. Verify them, and your new wallet setup is complete. That's it. Setting up your XSPA crypto wallet is quick, safe, and super simple. You're all set to explore the world of crypto with XSPA Wallet. Don't forget to invite your friends and start your crypto journey together today.